Close your eyes, please. As usually, we take 3 deep breaths. Visualize the staircase from your heart. Going down, from your mind, going down to your heart. And step onto the staircase, go down. Past each level, you arrive at the heart. Gently turn to your left. Find there is a door there. It may be any form, any type of door. Please open. Step inside of your heart. Remember to close the door behind you. Just for a couple of moments, enjoy power, the love emanating of the depths of your heart. Now breathe out just one time. See, sense, and feel you are beginning a journey to reconnect with the child within you. The part of you that see the world with fresh eyes, full of wonder and excitement. As you take your first step on this journey, see yourself in this beautiful landscape, filled with colors, shapes, flowers, sounds, the essence of childlike wonder. As you walk through this beautiful landscape, notice how everything around you is more vivid, alive. The sky is brilliant blue. The grass is lush green. Flowers bloom in different colors. You are again a child. The world is full of possibilities, just as it did when you were a child. Everything is possible. So beautiful. So take a moment, explore this world through the eyes of your inner child. Imagine touching the petals, flowers, feeling the softness, its beauty, marveling. You are marveling of its beauty. Listen to the sound of the birds singing. The leaves are rustling. The water is gently flowing. Let these sounds fill you with a sense of peace and happiness. Now, imagine coming across something new, unfamiliar in this landscape. Perhaps it's a path you have never walked before. A tree with branches seems to reach the sky, or an animal you have never seen. As a child, you approach this with curiosity, excitement, and an open heart, of course. Allow yourself to feel now, today, the same sense of wonder as you explore this new discovery. As you continue this journey, notice how your inner child approaches the life with a sense of joy and possibility. There is no fear of unknown, just a deep curiosity and trust in the adventure. Feel this openness and trust growing within you, allowing you to embrace the world with a sense of wonder. Now visualize yourself meeting your inner child in this landscape. You see the child smiling at you, full of love and acceptance. Reach out, take the child's hand, feeling the connection between you. Allow the light from your heart to merge with the child's light, creating a bond of love, trust, and joy. Spend a few moments in this space, feeling innocence, curiosity, boundless energy of your inner child. And you know that this child is always within you, ready to help you see the world with fresh eyes, an open heart. When we are ready, we gently bring our awareness back to this present moment. We take a deep breath, slowly open your eyes, exhale, and you carry this sense of wonder, of joy, curiosity. And as you move toward evening, Even when you go to bed tonight, you know you can return to this childlike state whenever you want. So write down if you want, reflect on this experience, any aside feelings. Remember that through the eyes of the child, the world is a place of endless, infinite possibilities. You have the power to rediscover that magic within yourself.